Now that we've learned more about alternative asset investing, it's time to talk about the investment optimizer strategy. This high-impact strategy is designed to do exactly what the name implies. It optimizes your investments. As an investor begins to create cash flow, the need for an efficient, dynamic opportunity fund becomes critical. I'm talking about a way to save and grow your capital while money is on the sideline waiting for that next investment opportunity. Most people end up using a savings or checking account at the bank, and while the bank offers liquidity, it provides little to nothing in terms of growth, tax benefits, or creditor protection. The investment optimizer strategy is the solution to this problem. What if your opportunity fund would not only be liquid, but would also allow your money to grow at a 5% net return, safe from market volatility and creditors, and completely tax-free? To be clear, the investment optimizer isn't the underlying investment. It's simply there to enhance the investing you're already doing. In other words, you could literally invest the exact same way you would otherwise, and by replacing the bank with the investment optimizer, end up with significantly more money. It's that simple. Let's show you exactly how it works. First, we capitalize our opportunity fund. This includes funds you're setting aside for investing, income from current investments, and so on. Next, the funds in the account grow based on guaranteed interest and dividends. Then, when they're ready to invest, we utilize this account to do so. The unique thing about it is that the money we're using to invest doesn't come out of our account. The money actually comes as a loan from the general account of the company. So we put that money to work in the investment, and the money in our base account stays where it is and continues to experience compound growth. As our investment produces cash flow, we place that back into our opportunity fund, which replenishes it so we can go back out and do it again and again and again. The flow of cash going into our opportunity fund pays down the loan, including interest. In the course of this flow of money back into the fund, we create a powerful arbitrage. Specifically, the interest paid on the loan is simple interest, and the growth inside of our account is compounding interest. Even if the interest percentage is the same on the loan side as on the account side, this difference between simple interest and compound interest results in significantly more interest earned than what we're paying in interest. And so the flow goes, in and out of the alternative investments as you would be doing anyway. We're just doing it with greater growth, tax benefits, creditor protection, and this unique arbitrage that allows us to create value in multiple places with the same dollars. To learn how leverage can be used to enhance your investments, check out Part 4 of this series, the Retirement Accelerator.